Vowel sounds. The sounds vowels make depend on where they appear in a word. Sometimes they make the long vowel sound, and sometimes they make the short vowel sound. Short vowel sounds. Short vowels are usually followed by consonants, which shorten their sound. The following common objects begin with short vowels. A, as in apple. E, as in egg. I, as in igloo. A, as in octopus. As in umbrella. Here's a little song to help remember the short vowel sounds. Sing it to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Alligator, elephant, and inchworm too met otter uptown at the Tuesday Street Zoo. Alligator, elephant, inchworm too met otter uptown at the Tuesday Street Zoo. The A is for alligator. The E is for elephant. Inchworm is the I. Otter is your O. U, uptown at the Tuesday Street Zoo. So let's try it one more time. Alligator, elephant, inchworm too met otter uptown at the Tuesday Street Zoo. Now to practice those sounds over and over again, once they have associated those short vowel sounds with all the motions, you can go back to singing our Old MacDonald song. Now here's how you do it with the short vowels. When at school I learned my vowels, A-E-I-O-U, with an A here and an E there. Here an I, there an A, everywhere an A. When at school I learned my vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Now when you do this, begin with only one vowel and begin with your A and just go, when at school I learned my vowels, A-E-I-O-U, with an A here and an A there. Once the children are comfortable knowing the short A, go on to the short E. And you do it all over again. And you continue until the children know them all. Or you can do just A and E. Begin that way. As the children learn these sounds, you can go faster and faster and faster and keep switching them. And before you know it, they're all screaming out the sounds and all giggling.